Number 5. Wonder Creature Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. High-grade stainless steel, top is durable, hygienic and dishwasher safe. All-in-one package includes 3 carbon filters, 1 foam filter, 2 cleaning brushes and 1 mat. The circulating filtration system uses a replaceable round filter to purify the water, remove hair, dirt and food particles. Plus. Number 4. iPettie Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. Stainless steel cat fountain, 4-stage circulating filtration system, LTRA quiet pump with light, classic flower design. Durable, dishwasher safe, easy to clean, better than plastic or ceramic cat water fountain, highly recommended by veterinarians. Consists of 2 filters. The system provides healthy and oxygen-enriched waterfall for pets. Number 3. eccomas Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. All stainless material, 360 degrees open bowl design, perfect for multi-pet families, ultra silent and clean, water circulation system, encourage drinking. Compared to plastic pet drinking fountains. Number 2. PETLIBRO Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. Adjustable water flow, high quality 304 stainless steel, and dishwasher safe, super quiet and easy to use, leakage proof and splashing proof design, 24/7 fresh water. PETLIBRO Pet Water Fountain, entirely made of 304 stainless steel, it is BPA free, rust and corrosion resistant. Number 1. ORSDA Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. Ideal for multiple pets family, high-grade and durable stainless material, ease of use in cleaning, quiet operation. The automatic dog water fountain allows you to take the water pump and other pieces apart for more thorough cleaning.